Hey, what's going on everyone? It's Jacob. In this video, we're going to do a really detailed deep dive training into how you can make $100,000 or more with affiliate marketing in 2020. But before we do that, first thing I need you to do is I need you to smash as hard as possible that like button, because the more people that we get to do that, the more people that can see this training, and it really helps me grow this channel. And I know that you like the content. Once you've done that, click that big red button and subscribe, but then don't forget to click the little bell icon so that you get notified whenever I drop a new video. Then you can ask any questions and I'll get back to you ASAP. But with all that out of the way, I'm gonna shoot over into the study. I'm gonna grab my computer, we're gonna jump in. I'll put some slides together and we're gonna walk through this all step by step so that you can make at least 100 grand or more with affiliate marketing in 2020. So stick with me, I'm gonna roll the intro and we'll get into it. All right, what's going on everyone? So I ducked next door into the study, I've grabbed my laptop and we are ready to dive in. So as you can see on the slides right here, we're gonna walk through how to make 100 grand or more with affiliate marketing in 2020. Now, before we dive into that, I just want to say this is the most simplified model that you are going to find to make serious money with affiliate marketing now in 2020 and probably for a very long time. I've removed all the software that you need, removed the cost, simplified it down to a process that literally anybody can follow. So if you want this bad enough and if you're willing to do the work, this will work for you. So before we dive in, who am I? Really quickly, I'm a full-time digital marketer from Australia. I've been working in the space full-time for about a year since quitting my corporate finance job. I've been doing affiliate marketing for about 2.5 years. In that time, I've done multiple six figures across a bunch of affiliate programs. I've done my own product launches, been able to win a bunch of prizes and speak at events and do all that kind of cool stuff. Wanted to include a quick slide so you can see why you might want to listen to me and why I feel comfortable delivering this training to you. Just some of my results, some of the events I've been able to speak at, some of the awards that I've won. This is the ClickFunnels Dream Card. This is a ring for joining a six-figure club with an affiliate program. Just to prove to you that I know what I'm talking about and I feel comfortable delivering this training to you. But with that out of the way, why am I doing this? Well, first things first, I'm not here to pitch you anything. I'm not here to sell you anything. There's nothing to buy. I'm here to deliver a 100% value-based free training that I know will help anybody that takes action on what I'm about to share with you. This community has literally changed the entire direction of my career. I used to work in corporate finance, 80 hours a week. I was burnt out. I was running to the ground. I needed something different. And when I built my own online business, leveraging affiliate marketing, the entire direction changed. Now I can literally pick this computer up and travel and still make money. It's a really amazing thing to be able to do in this day and age. And I'm hoping that the people that implement this will really be able to replicate what I've been able to do, and it will really help them level up in their businesses and even change the direction of their life. So I guess from a slightly selfish perspective as well, I just want to share as much value in the market as possible, because I know that's going to build my personal brand. So with all that kind of said, let's dive into the training. What are we going to cover today? Well, we're going to cover the most simple 3-step blueprint that you will find on how to make money with affiliate marketing. We're going to walk through how do you find profitable products, how do you sell it like an absolute machine, and how do you generate endless leads, because they're the only 3 things that you need to understand. You need a product that you can sell, you need a way to sell it, and you need people that are going to buy it. And we're going to cover each of those using things that you've already got. You don't have to go and buy software, you don't have to write fancy copy, you don't have to do any of that stuff. We're going to cover that step by step. Be sure to stick around all the way until the end of the training, because you need all of these pieces of the puzzle to make it work. You need to see how it all comes together. So don't just watch half of it, don't watch a quarter of it, watch all the way until the very end, and you'll get the entire picture and you'll be able to start going. If you stick around to the very end, you're going to have the whole system that's going to ensure you get success with affiliate marketing in 2020. So let's dive into it. Let's get started. Step 1, I always recommend people start with monetization. So many people are going to tell you to put out value without actually choosing a product. And it's a big problem, because people get burnt out. They get sick of putting out endless content with no return on their time. And I know a lot of people are working full-time, and that can be really hard to do. So I always say, flip it on its head. Let's choose your product now. The other thing that I recommend you do is don't choose a niche, just go straight to choosing a product. Because what a lot of people do is they get hung up on choosing a niche, and then they have to go and try to find a product. So if you just go straight to the product, that's going to cover off both for you. Now, I always recommend people choose a high ticket product. And there's 4 kind of main places you can go to find high ticket affiliate programs. You can find private affiliate programs, so it's basically a company that has their own affiliate program that you can promote. You've got affiliate networks, you've got influencers, kind of solopreneurs who have their own affiliate programs, like I do for some of my own products. Or if there's nothing out there that you can find, you can reach out to people and you can actually try and negotiate with them to promote their products. So they're your 4 main things. And the big secret, I get asked literally daily, Jacob, where do I find products to promote? Just Google it. Google high ticket affiliate programs, Google affiliate networks, search for influencers, see if they have a product that you can promote. You'll find stuff, it's all in Google. There's no secrets out there, right? So go find a product that's gonna pay you $500, $1,000, $2,000 that you wanna promote. That's something that you need to make a decision on. That's a business decision for you to make. Nobody can tell you what to promote. That is up to you. So they're your 4 places. Go use Google. They're all out there. I don't really care what you choose. My expertise is in the internet marketing space, so maybe you want to stick with that. But just go out and find a product that you can promote that's going to pay you a good amount of money. Minimum $250, preferably $500 or more. The next thing, once you've got that product, is we need to convert it from a product into an offer. So with affiliate marketing, one of the downfalls is that you're going to be competing with other affiliates. So we need to craft something that's unique to us that people are going to want to buy. And there's a 3-step process to do that. First thing you want to do is take that product and you really want to look at what's in it. Now, if you haven't bought it, there's still going to be a ton of information out there about what's included in the actual product. And you want to do what I call unpack it. List out all the features and benefits and put them into a Word document. Then you're going to know exactly what your customers are going to get in terms of the features, and you're going to know the results they're going to achieve if they follow that program. What you've done there is instantly increase the perceived value of the product that you are promoting without actually having to do any work. What a lot of people do is they just pick up the product and they try and sell it, and it's like, well, what's in it? What am I going to get? What are the benefits? What are the outcomes, the results? So if you actually list all that out and get clarity around it, you're going to be able to sell that down the track when we get into the sales piece. So it's really, really easy process, take you 10, 15, 20 minutes, and you're going to have an offer that's perceived to be higher value than all of your competitors instantly. The next thing you want to do is come up with some way to support your customers. So the people that buy from you, you should be helping them out. You can either do this at a group level, or if you're getting paid more, if you're getting paid $1,000 or $2,000, you can do it at a one-to-one level. And I recommend here, you can just set up a Facebook group, put all your customers in there. You can do a weekly call. You can do one-to-one Zoom calls with people. Basically, just come up with a way to help and support your customers so that they know that you are there for them if they have questions. The very last thing that you need to do in order to turn your product into an offer is you need to add bonuses and complimentary resources. Now, people massively overthink this. The best way to approach it is, what is going to help my customers get better results with this product, or what is missing from the core product that I can supplement it with. Things like case studies that you can go out and create on your own, interviews, cheat sheets, workbooks, training videos that you put together, high quality PLR stuff. There is some out there, but basically come up with like 3, 5, 7 complimentary resources and stack all of that stuff together. And what I want you to do, as I've written here, is I want you to document it. I want you to write it all out in a 1 to 2 page Word document so that you have it all on hand. Then over time, you can improve that offer. You can change how you do the support. You can add more. You can take it away. Whatever you want to do, you can add more bonuses. And ultimately, you're crafting this perfect offer based on feedback that you're getting when your business is actually growing, okay? So once that's done, at this point, you've got a product you can promote and you've turned it into a unique offer. So you're already a long way ahead. A lot of people don't actually get to this point. They get stuck creating content. So now we've actually got something we can sell. We need to know how to do that. And the primary goal here with sales is convert leads into customers, okay? The easiest way to do this is to have a conversation with somebody. There's so many ways you can complicate this with all these crazy funnels and automations and email and chatbots and retargeting ads and all this complicated stuff that gets people who are trying to get started stuck. I'm here to tell you that the most simple way to sell something is to just have a conversation with someone. Build a connection, build a relationship, build trust, build rapport, build authority through your conversation. And then what we're going to do, which we're going to get into in a minute, is we're going to be putting out content and people are going to ask, how can I work with you? What are you involved with? Can you send me a link? Sales becomes really easy when people know, like, and trust you. So that's our goal, is have as conversations with as many people as possible in our niche, and I'm going to show you how to do that on a daily basis. We're going to develop relationships, we're going to develop connections, and then we're going to be following up with content. Again, I'm going to show you how to do that. And what's going to happen is people are going to start to reach out, and you can give them your link, and they're going to buy from you because you've got that cool offer that we just put together, okay? Now, when the opportunity comes up and you're having a conversation with someone and they say, oh, hey Jacob, I saw you're into affiliate marketing. Can you tell me, like, how can I work with you, or what program are you involved with? You don't want to sell to everybody, because you want them to be a good fit. Because if you sell stuff to people that aren't a good fit, it's just a recipe for disaster. So you need to diagnose if they're actually a good fit. You need to ask them questions. You need to ask them questions like, what are you currently doing? This is going to give you their current situation. How has that been going for you? How long have you been doing it? This is going to flesh out pain points, and you're going to start to see what their problems are. Where do you want to get to? What are your goals? Do you think you can get there on your own? How committed are you? And once you've asked those types of questions, then if you do think your program can help them and your support can help them, you just say, awesome, I definitely think I can help you. Do you want me to share a little bit about that? You can share with them what you've got for them, your offer. They can choose to buy or not to buy. And if they've got any questions, you just answer their questions. They'll either buy or not, and you can move on. If you do this enough times, if you have enough conversations with people, there is no way that you don't make money. If you've got a good quality product, you make a unique offer out of it, and you talk to people in the niche, you will make money. This is so simple. We're having conversations with people. We're putting out content that we're going to get to in a second, and then we're showing them how we can help them. It's really, really, really simple. There's no fancy funnels. There's no crazy automations. There's no complex copywriting. It's simple conversations with people to build rapport and connections and trust. Okay? Now, that's the first two parts. That's your product. That's how you sell it. Really, really simple. Now we need to start having as many conversations as possible, and that's what we're going to walk through right now. The easiest place to start doing this is Facebook. 99% of the people watching this video are already going to have a personal Facebook profile set up. So you can start doing this this very second. The second you stop watching this video, when you get all the way to the end, is you can start doing this. You can start adding people as friends. You can start joining other Facebook groups in the niche. There's so many people on Facebook who need whatever product it is that you've just selected. We just need to get in front of them, and we need to get to know them so that we can have the conversations that we just spoke about. So how do we do this? First things first is a lot of people's Facebook profiles are an absolute mess. So we need to clean it up. To clean up your cover picture, make it look like a person you want to work with, and make it something that's specific to the niche that the product is in that you have selected. So if you go look at my profile, there's a photo of me talking at an event. Just make it look like somebody who is serious, someone who people will want to work with. Clean up your cover photo, clean up your bio, tell them a little bit about who you are, what you do, and then clean up the posts that are showing up so that you're serious. And then what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna start putting up posts daily that share value with the people in your market. What you then also wanna do is you wanna share tips, strategies, trainings that are going to get them the desired result that they are looking for. That's why people buy things. They don't buy it for the information. They buy it for the result that that information can provide. And that's what your content needs to do. It needs to give them tips, strategies, tricks, training on how to get that result, okay? Then what you want to do is you're going to want to combine that with sharing other people who are actually using the product that you're promoting. Assuming it's a good product, there's going to be results out there, testimonials, and you want to share those results. That's going to build authority, it's going to build trust, it's going to build social proof that what you're promoting is working. And then just sprinkle through with that as well. Just photos of you doing what you do on an everyday basis. What do you do in real life? Show people that you are a real person. This builds more trust. And then this shows them that you are someone that they can connect with, someone they can have a conversation with, and someone that they should buy from. This is the trifecta. Value, lifestyle, results. If you share those three things, you're going to build trust, rapport, authority, and people will start to reach out to you and want to buy from you, okay? Then what you need to do, go and join 5 to 10 Facebook groups in your niche. If you just search the name of your niche, whatever it is that you chose, up in the top of Facebook, and then select groups, it's going to give you a big list. Assuming it's a big enough niche that you've chosen, the product you've chosen is in a big enough niche, then there's going to be a lot of groups. Go and join those groups. Start adding the people in those groups who are active as friends. Start putting posts into those groups, getting active. What you can also do is go and follow 5 to 10 pages of existing authorities in the niche that your product is in. Start to add the people that are interacting on those posts, that are engaging in their content. Start building up that friends list of people in the space that you are playing in based on the product that you chose in part 1. Whenever someone accepts a friend request, send them a message. You're not selling them. You're just saying, hey, I noticed you live in Australia. I noticed you live in New York. How's your week going? Give it a little bit of a personal touch. Reach out to them, build that connection, see where the conversation goes, okay? Start engaging with other people's content on Facebook. All these new friends that you're adding, engage with their content. And what you're gonna see is they're gonna start engaging with your content as well. That's more people you can start to talk to. People that are engaging with your content, right? Your engagement's gonna start to tick up. Your reach is gonna start to improve when you put out value-based content. And then if you do this consistently, 2 things are gonna start happening. 1, people are gonna start reaching out to you, asking, how can you help me? How can I work with you? What are you involved with? Perfect opportunity to sell. And you're gonna identify opportunities where you can tell people about what you do when you're having conversations with them. Again, perfect opportunity to sell. I'm hopeful you can see how simple this process is. You've just got to get out there and do the work. Smash the like button if you can see how simple this is, and if you're excited to go and implement this. Drop any questions you've got below as well. Now we can take this one step further and we can create our own Facebook group. We can start building our own community of people who will be interested in the product that we are promoting. We're going to put out more valuable content. We can get our new friends to join our group. We can do interviews. We can do training in there. And then what's going to happen is when we start getting engagement in our Facebook group, Facebook's going to send you free members. These are more leads. Start reaching out to all of your new group members, more conversations. These are all new opportunities to sell. And this is why I told you at the start to choose something that pays you $250, $500, $1,000, $2,000. Because then you don't actually need that many sales every month to hit whatever it is your income goal is. If you sell something for $1,000, you only need 10 sales a month, you're at 10 grand a month, right? You're well past the 100K a year mark, all right? This is super, super powerful. That's like 2.5 sales a week, 2 to 3 sales per week, and you're at that goal. You're not selling 10,000, little shitty products. You're selling few high quality products to a few people through having a conversation with them and putting value out into the marketplace. And you're building a brand and you're building your authority at the same time, which is an asset for you for the future, okay? And that's it. If you do all of these steps, you will get results. This is the most simplified model to make money with affiliate marketing. No crazy funnels, no crazy ads, no crazy copy, just your Facebook profile, some simple conversations, a little bit of work. And if you do it consistently, it will work. So ultimately, all this comes down to is how bad do you want it? These are the steps that you need to follow to make this happen. If you follow them, if you do it every day for the next 90 days, 6 months, 9 months, 12 months, you will make serious, serious coin. I'm really excited to see who takes this training and runs with it, because I know they're going to see really, really awesome results and their business can completely change. That's all I've got for you in this training. Be sure to smash that like button. It really, really does help me grow the channel, helps more people see this video. Drop me a comment. Let me know what you learned. Let me know any questions that you've got. Let me know what you're going to go and implement, how you're going to do this. And please subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon so that you get notified every time I drop a new video. Tons of awesome content coming down the pipeline. Hopefully you like this one. Go and implement it. You'll get awesome results, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.